Welcome to Toasty Tech, where we serve up the hottest gadgets, smartest tech, and coolest innovations to help you find your next great upgrade. The product link is in description. If you need serious cleaning power for your driveway, patio, deck, siding, fence, or even your vehicles, the DeWalt DXPW3300-S gas pressure washer is designed to tackle tough jobs with professional-level performance. Powered by a dependable 208 cubic centimeters engine, this pressure washer delivers an impressive 3,300 PSI and 2.4 gallons per minute of water flow, giving it the muscle needed to blast away dirt, grime, mud, and stubborn buildup with ease. So, is this pressure washer really worth buying? When you look at the numbers, it becomes clear why so many homeowners choose it. The combination of 3,300 PSI pressure and 2.4 GPM flow rate creates nearly 7,920 cleaning units, which translates into fast and efficient cleaning performance for large outdoor surfaces. Whether you're restoring a weathered deck, cleaning a stained driveway, or washing exterior walls, this machine is built to handle demanding residential projects. What do those numbers actually mean in real-world use? The high pressure helps remove stubborn dirt and grime, while the strong water flow helps rinse away debris quickly. That means less time spent cleaning and more time enjoying the results. The maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump is designed for durability and reliable operation, helping keep maintenance simple for everyday users. Why is this such a popular choice? Convenience plays a huge role. The package includes everything needed to get started, including a 25-foot abrasion-resistant high-pressure hose, a professional spray gun, a 16-inch steel wand, and 5 quick connect nozzle tips. You get 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap nozzles, making it easy to switch between concentrated cleaning power and wider spray patterns for different surfaces. The rugged welded steel frame is built for long-term durability, while the 10-inch pneumatic tires make transportation easy across rough terrain, gravel, grass, or uneven surfaces. Despite its powerful performance, the unit remains surprisingly portable at approximately 64 pounds and measures roughly 41 inches long, 21 inches wide, and 24 inches high. Additional features like low oil shutdown protection help safeguard the engine, while thermal relief protection helps protect the pump during extended operation. These thoughtful additions contribute to dependable performance season after season. For homeowners looking for a powerful gas pressure washer that balances performance, durability, and ease of use, the DeWalt DXPW3300-S delivers the cleaning strength needed for a wide range of outdoor projects. From driveway restoration to vehicle washing and home exterior cleaning, this machine is ready to make tough jobs feel much easier. Thanks for watching Toasty Tech. The product link is in description. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more hot tech content, and I'll see you in the next one.